Welcome to Small Travel Wonders with Sam, your ultimate guide to exploring the world's most incredible destinations. Today, we're sharing the top essential tips and hacks for traveling to Tanzania. Whether you're planning to climb Mount Kilimanjaro, explore the Serengeti, or relax on the beaches of Zanzibar, these tips will help you make the most of your trip. Let's dive in. Tanzania has two main seasons: the dry season, which runs from June to October, and the wet season, from November to May. The dry season is perfect for safaris and climbing Kilimanjaro, while the wet season offers lush landscapes and fewer tourists. Choose your travel dates based on what activities you want to enjoy the most. Did you know? The Great Migration in the Serengeti is best seen from July to October. When would you prefer to visit? Let us know in the comments. While the Tanzanian shilling is the local currency, US dollars are widely accepted, especially in tourist areas. Make sure to carry some cash for small purchases, as credit cards are not always accepted outside major cities. Purchase a local SIM card upon arrival to stay connected. Major providers like Vodacom and Airtel offer good coverage and affordable data plans. This is essential for navigation, communication, and staying updated. What's your favorite travel app for staying connected? Share your recommendations. When heading on a safari, pack light, but bring essentials like binoculars, a good camera, sunscreen, and insect repellent. Neutral-colored clothing helps you blend in with the environment and enhances your wildlife viewing experience. Use local transportation like buses and dala-dalas for an authentic experience. They're budget-friendly, but can be crowded. For convenience, consider hiring a private driver, or using ride-sharing apps available in major cities. Tanzanian cuisine is diverse and delicious. Try dishes like ugali, nyama choma, and Zanzibar's seafood. Visit local markets and street vendors for the most authentic flavors. Before you travel, ensure you are up to date with necessary vaccinations like yellow fever. Use mosquito nets and repellents to protect against malaria. Always drink bottled or purified water to avoid stomach issues. What's your top health tip for travelers? Let us know in the comments. Tanzania is rich in cultural diversity. Dress modestly, especially in rural areas and on Zanzibar Island. Learn a few Swahili phrases to show respect and enhance your interactions with locals. Maintain a safe distance from animals and never feed them. Follow the guidance of your safari guide to ensure a safe and respectful wildlife experience. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Tanzania's top tips and hacks. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, comment below with your favorite tip, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel guides and adventures. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Until next time, keep exploring and discovering the wonders of the world.